All right, go Pack Go. This is the video to find the winner of my three-way winner's choice. This is the main. So we'll check the time, February 6th at 10:11 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have February 6th at 10:11 p.m. There's the list of our 20 entries, including our mini spots. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Joseph. Spot 13 is your winner. So, Joseph, please PM me your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, February 6th, 10:12 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.